How to use Spotify app as a complete beginner. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Geek. In this guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually use the Spotify app if you are a beginner to this. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to use the Spotify app as a beginner, it's very simple. First of all, make sure to update the Spotify app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your respective app stores. In the search box, typing in Spotify and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated Spotify, open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. There are basically two types of account on Spotify. One is the free account, which has very limited features. The other is the premium account. If you want to view your plan, then you can go to your settings over here and you can see the plan that you currently have, and you can see I currently have a premium individual plan which is currently active. So I'm just going to show you the tutorials from my premium account. There are basically some of the songs that you can listen to, some of the albums and your favorite artists. You can also follow a specific artist over here. Just tap on the following button as you can see. You can also go ahead and select any of the other artists that you would like in order to just go ahead and give them a follow. If you want to listen to a song, just open up a certain playlist and open up a particular song within that particular playlist. Now for some reason, Spotify removed the feature to download an individual song. You can see if I want to download an individual song from this playlist, I basically do not have the download button over here because I have to download the whole playlist itself by tapping on this little download button over here. Now downloading is only available for premium accounts. If you have a free account, obviously you cannot do that. If you want to view the lyric of a video, then you can also just go ahead and do that if you really want to. So as you can see at the bottom, it is going to be along with the sing-along format as well. You can also share this lyric if you do want to for your other social media apps. Just go ahead and tap on the share button. So you can select a lyric where you want to share and just tap on the continue button and just go ahead and select it if you want to. You can change the colors as well, and it's as simple as that. You can also add your favorite songs to your playlist. For example, if I come to your library, you can see this is a playlist that I actually created myself, which is called My Favorite Songs. And these are some of the songs that I have added in it. You can see some of the recommended songs. If I go ahead and tap on it, I can add them to my particular playlist. And as I said, you can download the whole playlist itself so that you can listen to the songs offline even when you're connected to the internet. You can also view some podcasts and watch some podcasts, listen to it, and you can go ahead and share them to your social media. Or you could go to the search box, you could see what kind of genres you like. You can see made for you, you can say pop, rock, hip hop, Latin, charts, and so on. If I go to this settings icon on the very top right hand side of the screen, you can see our personal settings such as the audio quality. You have video podcasts such as whether you want to download only audio and so on. You have offline mode enabled, you have auto mix, you have allow explicit contents, volume levelings, mono audio, device broadcast status, autoplay on other devices and connecting to device and so on. You can see all the other privacy settings and video quality as well if you do really want to. You can see the storage left on your device as well, and it's as simple as that. Spotify is not really that difficult. All you do is you subscribe to it and you start listening and downloading music. Or else you could also just go ahead and tap on the logout button if you do want to log out, or you could just go ahead and log in back into your account again. And hopefully this video answered your question as to how you can use a Spotify app as a complete beginner. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.